Oh, Mangalaba, Salama Malam. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Chanao. I'm from Myanmar, currently learning the informative major from Odisha. Today, I would like to make the presentation about about learning system by drawing the content diagram and data flow diagram. So it's the about the software engineering courses. So let's start them. And presentation. First of all, I would like to share the screenshot. Screenshot. Uh, So as you can see, in the case study, exercise is to draw a contact diagram and also data flow diagram, level 1, 0, and level 1. So what is the system? Description. The system is the Polani system in the library. And in that, they have the registration session. In the registration session, the mama engineer submits that to the officer for recording process. If the mama is not registered, then mama get it and you make in the employee process. So after the registration, probably the accept began. So so uh, so you can submit the loan book code and BAM and mama can to given the library administration officer. So after that, the officer will check the borrow books. If they have the borrow book where we will call in the book borrowing record, then the approval the book borrowing when will send to the border borrower. And after that, the book is kept at the officer, and the book along with the approval borrowing received by the borrower. And after that, the system must be able to generate the book for the measurements to for them, but measurements and to feed the book installable in for the procurement division. So available can be checked in the procurement division. Yeah, that's the definition of the Polanyi system in the body. So there is the style that to modify for by drawing to draw a conductor. Yeah? So let's see the steps of the system. So first of all, we need to identify the identity. So there is three. They are the members, member, and programming division. They are programming division is like they are maintaining out the book. So they run the book. And Magrimas is me, the officer of leader of the library. Yeah? And after that, we need to determine functional vocabulary. In here, we can see there is three functional. First, registration. In the registration, we need to find them member database. If is you need to record the member data and find and then print the membership card in the registration section. And after that, in following section, we need to record a post ID of uh, portable, and we need to set the labels store in procurement division. And after that, we put in the reporting section, we need to print a borrowing report to be able to expand all the procurement division. And after that, uh, what data we need to speak, say, and what data are really important. Uh, in here there is three. and member data, post data, and following records are very important data. So let's start a create connector again. So you can see that the connector again. There is a three entity member, programmer, and agreement is the leader. Default is the not entity is a suggest. So first of all, member need to work on that in the registration. If the uh mama is no had which is star. Yeah, mama checker is make it out and after the mama ID it with the mama ID you can land the boat and here so after that uh we need to check it out and then the probable is available in procurement if the probable is available if is borrow the bulk and finally you you finally put them borrowing record and send to the leader. This is a connector of Boolean system and then you must understand and after that we need to draw a data flow diagram at level 0 and here we can see three identity member leaders and what complement. After that, we can see this is system functionality system. So first of all, we need to check it the membership member ID and the registration. After that, we can follow the borrowing session and borrowing. After that, if you borrow can check the book from from the procurement division. If there is anything has the store pool, we can borrow them to the member with the lawyer and cat. And after that, we need to report them. Report the borrowing receipt. So we can calculate the span of the library and to go the library. So this the data flow diagram on level 0. Now for the data flow level 1 process is to move straight into type by is the off it process out as functionality. And here main registration, and we need to find that memory database. Is the memory database it had, we need to record the memory data and print the memory check type. This then level one process 1.0. After that, after memory check memory make it up, we can follow them in following session. And here, first of all, we need to find the apple and work up and I did that. I did approve all around and if there is available info, you can borrow it back to the borrower and print the proof all around to them for the next process. After getting the loan approval, after getting that, um, print out our book, uh, we can print the expression list and we can calculate the library expression following the level 1 process 5.0. So after drawing the data flow diagram, we can we can make the data modeling and like this. So there is the three polynomial event data. They have members borrowing, the borrowing data and post data. And the member data have unit member and name of the member, a day of power which is in date and borrowing data. And borrower, borrower ID and borrower date and return date. In both sessions, it has also a uniform ID and data publisher, other and stock. There is also a one-to-many relationship because um, one member can have many apps. Uh, both both have borrowed by many members. So number six is the data dictionary. In the data dictionary, we can define the what data meaning meaning of the data. And for number eight is the data store. So there is a three data we need to store. And member, bulk and borrowing records in here. And after that, data flow. We need to make output like the member ID, member cat, member candy, member cat, and post data info, post ID, loan true, and loan post. We can we can make it up and combination of the data store. So this the data dictionary question. So e data have e feature has unique value. For example, my mom had the 10 only 10 character and the of birth is the formula dd mama yeah. So number seven is the process simplification. It's like the detailed process of the system must be followed. For example, person is the recoverable data. Recoverable data. So how do we recoverable data? So we need to find pool ID and pool database. And Oppo we need Oppo is also Oppo is also the pool database. So how to start? So first of all, we need to find the database of the pool and put the pool ID to check that there is available data. It then it had show that there is the pool data in here. If not, uh, we can close that database and return the available data. So this the process of simplification. We can also that this step to explain the process of Polandese system in the library. So I hope this explanation will understand how the Polandese system of the library was in the behind and the data flow diagram had to visualize the data process of the system and behind. So that is my thank you for watching. Terima kasih.